planet problems. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. Oh, it's futile. I'll never be able to remember all 9, sighed Alice as she flopped her head down onto her hands. Alice had spent all afternoon learning about the galaxy, the Milky Way, and Mars. She had also spent all afternoon thinking about chocolate, which didn't help. The doorbell rang and Alice got up to answer it. It was Cian, or Kian, let's call him Kian, from next door. Great, thought Alice as she opened the door. Kian can help me learn the planets. Kian sat at the big table in the kitchen, which was draped with Alice's school books. I'm trying really hard to learn the planets for my science test tomorrow, said Alice. Alice complained. But sometimes I find it difficult to remember things. What you need is mnemonics, said Kian helpfully. What? asked Alice. Mnemonics, repeated Cian. It's a way of helping you remember something. It's also the only word in the English language that begins with the letter MN, the M being silent, so you don't hear the M. That's why I say mnemonics and not mnemonics. Where am I now? Mr. Know-it-all, laughed Alice. Tell me how it works. Kian explained how using rhymes and songs or making words from other words or sentences can help you remember. Alice was still confused, so Kian gave her some examples. He explained how singing the alphabet to the tune of Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star made it easier for children to learn the alphabet. He also told her how the sentence, Richard of York gave battle in vain, made it easy to learn the order of the colors of the rainbow. That's great, said Alice, but how can I remember the planets? My very easy method just sums up 9 planets, smiled Kian. That's great, Kian, said Alice, getting frustrated. But what is it? That's it. My very easy method just sums up 9 planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto, smiled Kian. That's brilliant, shouted Alice. I will never forget my planets again. Okay, so that is what a mnemonic is. It is a little rhyme or a song or something that helps you to study. Like with the ABCs, if you were a baby still in grade before even grade 0, and you had to go A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, you would never remember. It's so much easier when you put a tune to it. And that is what my very easy method just sums up 9 planets also helps. Because the beginning of each word stands for the beginning of a planet. My stands for Mercury. Very stands for Venus. Easy stands for Earth. Do you see what's happening there? So that is what a mnemonic is. So the questions. What was the name of the story? Easy. What had Alice been trying to learn all afternoon? What was she trying to get in her head for her test the next day? What else had Alice been thinking about and why? So they don't tell you why she's thinking about this other thing. But why do you think she's thinking of that thing? She said something is interfering with her learning because she's thinking of this other thing. Who was at the door? Don't just write the name. I want the sentence. You say, was at the door. According to Kian, what did Alice need? Name one example of mnemonics given by Kian. So not the one about the planets, another one. What is the sentence Kian used to remember the planets? And name 3 other things people do to help them remember something. How do we study so that we remember? Okay. And that is all I'm going to say. Good luck.